Hi everyone, welcome to Switching Cuisines. I am back. Students are going back to school. I decided to show them a simple recipe. We are making today Mujadara. Mujadara is made of brown lentils, rice, and topped with caramelized onions. If you like this recipe, subscribe for more videos, share it with your friends and family, and like this video. Let's get started. We have here 2 cups of short grain rice and 1 cup of long grain rice. We mix them together. First step of making mujadara, we soak the rice together in cold water with a pinch of salt for 20 minutes. Then we put it in the side. We'll add the 5 cups of water and turn on the heat on high. And we'll add our spices. We have the salt here, we have our garlic, and we have cumin, and cover it. Now I will wash the brown lentils and drain the water. Immediately add the brown lentils before the water boils. And cover the pot. Make sure you are not covering the pot completely because we don't want the lentils to break down. It's like that. We'll cut the onions into thin slices. While the lentils are cooking, I am going to caramelize the onions. Add the corn oil. Turn the heat on high. No need to heat the oil. Add the onions. Every once in a while, I will stir the onion until they are brown. After 20 minutes, I will check the lentils if it's cooked or not. We need it to be half cooked, not fully cooked, to add the rice to it and cook together. So this is the way I examined it. So I will make sure it's not hot, I will have one small piece. It's half cooked. Now it's time to add the rice. The lentils are half cooked, so we'll wash the rice and add it to the lentils. Remember, we soaked the rice for 20 minutes. Now I'll add the rice. If the water is not covering the rice and brown lentils, I'm going to add half cup of water. Make sure that the water is covering both them together. As you can see, the water is not covering the rice and the brown lentils, so I'm going to add more water. I am adding the water as needed. It's good. Now it's covering the rice and brown rice. I'm going to mix it together like that. Cover it and leave it until it's boiling. When it's boiling, I'm going to reduce the heat to low. While the onions are caramelizing, I like to add some sumac. Onions are ready, so I'm going to remove them from the oil and put them on the side. I'm going to heat 1/3 cup of oil for our next step. Traditionally, we pour the hot oil over mujadara for 2 reasons. One, for the rice to shine and look nice, and to open the rice. How I examine the rice, the oil, if it's hot or not, it's ready or not, I'm going to add a drop of rice. And be careful. It's ready. So it's ready to pour the oil over the rice. Give it a few minutes only, like that. Turn off the heat and pour the oil over the mujadara. Wow, I love this sound. And cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. If you don't want to add hot oil, it's okay, no need for that. But as I said, it's traditionally we add the hot oil, we pour it over the rice. Use a fork to fluff the rice. It looks so good, and I am sure it tastes so good. As you see, it's ready. Mixing 2 kinds of rice give it a different taste than using only short grain rice. It's ready. Presentation is very important to serve food. Now I'm going to show you how we serve mujadara. I love to make mujadara because it's simple to make, easy to make, and my family loves it. Sometimes I come from work tired and exhausted, so I don't know what to cook. So I have brown lentils, I have rice, 2 kinds of rice, and that's it. Leave it for 2 seconds. And here it is. Wow. I will sprinkle some sumac. Gives that color and, you know, soury taste. And garnish with caramelized onions. We can add a little bit here and here. Decorate the plate the way you will love. Now, after I added the sumac for that tangy taste and the caramelized onion, it's ready to eat. Look how lovely the mujadara looks. So usually we make simple salad beside the mujadara. The salad made of tomato, Persian cucumber, and lettuce, and you add your dressing, or yogurt if you don't have salad. Also, if you have olives, if you have radishes, a green onion, all this works with mujadara. Dear followers, if you like mujadara recipe today, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, share it with your friends and family, and like my video. Love you all. Bye. والله شكلها بشهي. يسلموا ايديك يا نهى.
ماما باكل حلب صغار.
لحقي كلي قبل ما تخلصنا.